if you're a busy trade owner and you're sick of people ghosting when you send them quotes, or you just want a simple system that turns more quotes into approved jobs, here is a simple system that we implement for our trade business owner clients, okay, that actually turns 40% more quotes into approved jobs, okay, without chasing, without cutting prices, or without working anymore or using a crazy system. Okay, so simple system, zero tech headaches. All right, so why your quotes aren't getting approved right now is because homeowners forget after you send the quote, okay, well, they just can't be bothered, or they just go to somebody else, of course. Okay, you look the same as every other tradie. They pick the fastest responder, not the best, okay? You'll see that 80 to 90% of homeowners actually just pick the first company that responds, okay? So I'm going to show you a system how to make sure you respond instantly every single time, okay? No urgency, and then they delay the decision. So you need to create urgency and scarcity for these customers, okay? You don't follow up because you're on the tools, you're on site, or by the time you finish, it's too late, okay? You're leaving $5,000 to $15,000 a week sitting in your inbox. Okay, so this is where you fix that. I'm going to show. So this is a 5-step quote approval engine. All right, that's going to get you more approvals without extra quoting. Okay, so what happens here is the first step. Okay, what you want is as soon as you get the inquiry, as soon as you send off the quote, you want to send a quick SMS after the quote is sent. Okay, so this is going to build trust fast. A 24-hour reminder. Any questions? Okay, it brings forgotten quotes back. Urgency. Okay, mention limited calendar spots. So fear of missing out triggers action. A lot of people want shit done quickly. So just be like, hey, I know you wanted to do this next week. We're running out of space. Are you ready to go? Book them in. Okay. Proof. Send photos and review screenshots. Okay. So every time you get a quote sent, include it in your quote. So give them 3 different, before and afters of a similar job. Okay, so you just become the trusted choice straight away. Incentive, so small add-on if they've booked this week. Okay, so this will convert more of the fence sitters. They can't make a decision. So just add something in there that sounds pretty good to the homeowner, but it's not really that much work for you. Okay, this 5-step sequence will get you more approvals. I guarantee it. Okay, here are some done follow-up scripts. So this is what you get, okay, in the PDF that I send you. So right after the quote, I just give you little scripts you can add into text messages. So you either copy and paste them into the template, or you have your software do it for you. Okay, simple as SMS 1 right after the quote. Just send you a quote for the job. Quick call if you want to go anything, question mark, business name. All right. 24 hours later, hi, just making sure you got that quote. Happy to answer any questions. We're available to get this sorted quickly. Okay. Scarcity. So 48 to 72 hours later, you want to be super persistent with this, because again, if they're getting quotes, they're busy. You want to make sure that you're top of mind all the time. Okay. Spots are filling fast for this week time frame. Do you want me to pencil this in so you don't miss out? Busy people are going to be like, yes, sorry, sure, let's do it. Okay. Final nudge. And this works like crazy. If you book this week, I'll include a free bonus relevant to the job. Just reply yes, and I'll lock that in. Okay, this script alone recovers 20 to 35% of ghosted quotes. So I'll send you this. Okay, and obviously it'll be in a nice format for you. So the next thing is your trust builder. So this is a social proof stack. Okay, try include this. You might do it already, but include this in your quote or PDF pack. Okay, so before and after photos, your 5-star reviews, licenses, insurances, so they know you know what you're doing, uniform and branding, guaranteed arrival windows. So it just looks professional, it's efficient, and it creates trust straight away. Okay, if you add these in, and I would always add like what other local homeowners say about you, include 3 screenshots or reviews or whatever it is. When they trust you, they pay you. Pretty simple. Okay, so this is your 7-day execution plan. All right, so just copy and paste it. So copy and implement it, sorry. All right, so day 1, upload scripts. Day 2, collect 3 reviews and 3 photos. Day 3, improve quote layout and clickable call to action in your quote. Day 4, add urgency line into the quotes. Day 5, send quote follow-up to all open quotes. Day 6, turn 2 approvals into a case study. Day 7, repeat scale profit. It's a 7-day plan, but you can get it way quicker than that. But again, traders who complete by day 5, cash appears. Okay, get more approvals quickly. So what I would do, okay, like I said, you can implement this into your systems right now. What I would do is I would automate this whole thing. So if you want this running without you doing anything, what we do is obviously as a business, and again, I'm not trying to sell you anything, but if you want to automate this whole thing, we will install a quote approval engine in your business in the next 7 days. Okay, SMS and WhatsApp AI follow-ups, that is automated. You don't have to text them out; they go straight to the customer as soon as the quote's sent. Okay, quote chasing, so if they haven't responded, it'll chase the quote up with proper conversational flow and any objection handling if they respond. Okay, missed call and inquiry capture. So if they try, any missed calls or inquiries that is captured, okay, and they're followed up immediately. This will increase your conversions by 80%. Okay, review automations. So every single client that's post job will get a link and an automated text to give you guys a 5-star review, which is going to increase your obviously SEO and brand credibility. Job booking calendar. So everything is automated to your job booking calendars within these quote chasing AI systems. Okay, obviously real-time reporting. So if you want to book more jobs while you're on the tools, I'll give you a link in this PDF, guys. You can book your free call if you want to. If not, no worries at all. Here's your free plan, and enjoy.